Hello again, leaders, and welcome to February 2023. Can you believe it? Well, the pandemic is sort of normalizing a little bit, and now we have some crazy interest rates going on, and we have a little bit slower hiring and some uncertainty perhaps around the corner. So we are focusing our blog post and everything we do this month on really how we leaders can take charge and bolster the morale of our teams, our individuals, all of our direct reports, and quite honestly, even ourselves. So real briefly, check us out at the leadership blog at theworkplacecoach.com. We'll also have links on all the regular social media. Really quick, we're going to talk to you about communication. We are masterful communicators as leaders, right? We're going to talk to you about quickly how to foster a sense of community at work. We're going to share some insights on how to recognize and reward positive contributions during uncertain times. We're also going to, of course, lead by example. We've got some tips around that. And we will encourage open and honest feedback as we always do, right? Well, most of the time. All right, that is it for us. Have a super month. We'll see you back in March.